What's up, guys? Money Star 365 here. Hope you're all doing well today. So, today I want to show you guys how to create a catchy flyer basically for your business, right? I don't know if you're gonna do it from like a local Kinko's or any place that does copies of things like that, but for me, I'm gonna do it from my laptop. All right. So now, what you want to do, guys, is make sure you have the perfect font. As you can see, put a little closer for you guys. Mine's at 48, which is a little bit of a standard size for a flyer. But again, you could go as high as 72 if you want, or however you want to do it. Again, it's your flyer. I'm just giving you a little bit of a general idea on how to set it up. All right, let me go back to this here. So now, what you want to do, right? You want to be catchy. You want to have the attention of the person, whoever is gonna, pass by your flyer, depending on where you hang it up at. All right. Let me see. For example, hold on. Start a little something like this, and dependent. Hold on for a second, guys. Hold on for 1 second. Dependent sales. Sales reps. Wanted. Independent sales rep wanted or reps. Let's see. Now, with that also, you want to highlight the fact that no experience. Sorry about that, guys. Holding the phone with my left hand here. No experience necessary. No experience necessary. Okay, training. Training is provided. Alright, so far, independent sales reps wanted, no experience necessary, training is provided. Alright, now, of course, people are going to want to know what kind of compensation they can get, for the opportunity, if you will. They also want to know if they can do it full time or part time or both. So you want to make sure you add that in there as well. So let's say, for example, they can earn earn say earn let's say 500 weekly, or $500 weekly. Hold on. Does this have to do with the changes in the neighborhood? I wasn't being intimidated. I'm not being intimidated. Sorry about that, guys. So earn $500 weekly, full time, or part time. So let's recap so far. Independent sales reps wanted, no experience necessary, training is provided. Earn $500 weekly, full time or part time. And now the last thing you want to do, put your website at the bottom, or if you have some sort of texting software where you can have someone text you, just put your keyword that you want them to text you to, then put the number below. All right. Make out about 20 copies or so, 20, 30 copies or so, and place these around your neighborhood, whether it be at a local supermarket or a library, somewhere with a bulletin board preferably, or if you want to place it on the streets, place it near a light pole or nearby a phone booth or something like that. All right. Again, it's a basic generic flyer, guys. Nothing too over the top, nothing fancy like that. But what you want to do, like I said, highlight the benefits of your opportunity. Highlight the fact that there is no experience necessary and the training is provided. And they could also do it full-time or part-time. I mean, you may not want to put independent sales reps. You could put workers or anybody, any kind of person that comes to your mind, whether it be single moms, dads, college students, whoever. You could put that in there as well if you want to do it like that. All right. Again, this is what I've done. Actually, I'll show you a sample flyer that I've printed out already. Hold on. That's where I'm at right now. Little sloppy. Don't mind that. But this is basically a flyer that I printed out for one of my business opportunities. As you can see here, independent sales reps wanted, full-time, part-time training is provided, no experience necessary. So basically, guys, this is what you want to have hanging up around your neighborhood. All right. Keep it simple, keep it professional, and you know, let it be something that if you were to see it on the corner, it would catch your eye. All right. So with that being said, guys, I'm gonna head off here. If you got any value from this, other than the mess that you just saw in the background there, subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos, more tips from me, things like that. All right. I hope you all have a good day wherever you are in the world. You guys take care. God bless. And if you have any questions, if you're interested in anything that I promote or anything like that, just send me a message on Facebook. The link should be in my profile for my Facebook page. Send me a message on there and we can talk. All right. You guys take care. Have a good day, and I will talk to you later on. All right. Bye.